Lily, what do I see? I see a trash can that has been emptied and trash all over the floor. Lily, Lily, Lily. What is that? Lily, Lily. What is this? Lily, come. Lily, come. What did you do? Lily, Lily, come here, dog. Doggy. Oh, where'd you go? Lily. Did you do something? How do you know what I'm talking about? Lily, come here. Come. Come. Show me what you did. Come. Show me what you did. How the flour got on the floor, I have no idea. What did you do? Lily, what is this? Lily, what? Lily, did you crack eggs? Lily, have you been baking? What is that? What's going on? Why is there flour on the floor and a guilty-looking dog? Have you been baking and eating trash? What did you conceivably do? I'm going to have to go tell your mother. Lily? What have you been doing? Oh, now come on. You think that's going to... Oh, come on. We got flour on the floor. How did that happen?
That happened before Lily did.
Oh, Lily didn't do that. I'm sorry. Lily, come here. Come. Come. Come.
Lily?
Come. Lily, come. Come. Lily, come. Come. Come.
She's a guilty
Come.
dog.
Lily, come.
Lily,
Lily. Lily.
what?
What did you do? What? Do you think we know? Oh! Have you? I didn't even say anything. I've not even got a mad voice. I'm just asking you. What did you do?
I think she's been baking.
You think she's been baking? Okay, well, I'm glad to know. Honey, you're standing in the flour. Don't do that. Lily, that's just pathetic. Okay, go to the naughty room. Come. Go to the naughty room. Go. Come. You know where? Yep. Come on. No. Go to naughty. Yep. Lily, get in the naughty room. Go to the naughty room. Okay, I guess you know the drill. In the naughty bathroom. Now, you think about what you did. And when you are ready, come back out and join us.
And stay.
Okay. Lily's been sent to the naughty room.